Hello everyone, welcome to your Austin Real Estate Daily. It's our daily video blog about Central Texas real estate. My name's John McClellan.
I'm Jason Lewis.
And it's not daily, but it is weekly. I've got a lot of information to share with you today. We're going to be talking about the TDHCA's Bond 77 program, some new money out.
We're going to be talking about some condo projects downtown, how they're doing.
That's right, and we're also going to give you our prediction for where rates are going here in the near future. I'm a little bit nervous about that, so sit back, relax, and listen to what we have to say.
So, whether you were born in Austin or if you've only been here for a few years, you can't have missed the changes to the downtown skyline that have occurred over the last several years with all the new condos that have been built. I mean, so many new buildings have popped up that you would have thought that it would take decades to fill all the new inventory downtown. 2,000 new units have been built in the last decade, and most of these have been completed in the last several years in what would definitely be called a down market, especially for high-end real estate. Combine that with the fact that financing has become more difficult for condos, and you would think that the condo market would actually be considered slow at best. But not so. 2010 was actually a really strong year for the condo market downtown. Sales were up 50% from 2009, and an average price per units actually went up year over year from just over $330,000 in 2009 to right at $344,000 in 2010. So much activity has taken place in the condo market downtown that there are actually new projects that are in the works. But on the supply side, it'll probably take 5 years for these units to come to fruition. But this will keep condo values on the upswing, and we'll definitely be keeping our eye.
All right, guys, let's talk about first-time home buyer assistance programs. Last May, the Texas Department of Housing and Community Affairs, or the TDHCA, announced the release of $500 million in funding for first-time home buyers. The program is designed to assist low to moderate income home buyers who are interested in purchasing their first home. There's two types of mortgage loans that are available, the assisted and the non-assisted. The assisted program basically provides the borrower with down payment assistance and carries an interest rate slightly above market rates. The non-assisted program does not provide assistance for down payment. However, depending on market conditions, it may be able to provide a below market rate for you. Recently, the TDHCA announced the release of Lot 9 for the Bond 77 program. This newest commitment was for $30 million, and the rates for the assisted program are now at 5.6. Remember, that's the assisted, gives you the down payment, and for the non-assisted, they now sit at 4.85%. Currently, the TDHCA has about half the money left in the $500 million available, and they're anticipating running out of this sometime this year. So, if you're thinking about buying a house and you don't have any money, and you're buying within the city limits of Austin, check it out, Bond 77.
Alright, John, so the question that's on everybody's mind is, what are interest rates gonna do? Now, it's been a long-standing joke with us that our crystal balls are broken, something like that, that we don't really know exactly what they're going to do, but we've got, I think you've got an analogy that kind of sums it up.
Yeah, so interest rates, as we know, have been really low the last couple of years because of government incentives that are out there. Well, lately they've been kind of trading in a sideways direction. We've been pretty flat since mid-December. However, the momentum has been to the upside, not the downside. And you know what Jason's talking about, what I want to convey to you guys right here is picture yourself in a car and you're going this way in a car, right? The car's going, the car's got momentum. Well, how hard is it to go a little bit further that way? Just a little tap on the accelerator gets you really going in that direction, right? Well, how hard is it to stop that car, turn it around, and start going the other way? That's what's happening with rates right now. Right now, they're on the way up. And to get them to go back down, you're going to have to completely stop them and get them going in the other direction. They've got this momentum to the upside. So, my advice, lock them if you got them, because rates are going up.
So they're going up, and what's happening is a lot of people are just waiting for it to go a little bit lower. They want just that magic number in their head, be it 4.875 or 475, whatever it may be. The chances are that they can go up a lot quicker than they're coming down. So you're waiting on that special rate, and you end up getting something way off from what you were hoping.
It's like that Texas two-step, 2 forward steps forward, 1 step back. That 2 steps forward is on the way up. All right, guys, thanks for joining us today on Austin Real Estate Daily. Be sure and check us out here weekly. Be sure and forward this to all your friends. Let them know what's happening with Central Texas real estate. Don't forget, comment below. We got a poll question. What else we got?
We got our friends and family over here that have some great services you might want to check out. And be sure and check us out next week. Until then, bye-bye.
See you later.